Gone are the days when making a decent income required long hours of hard work and dedication. With the advancement of technology and the rise of artificial intelligence, it's now possible to earn a passive income without putting in much effort. In this video, we'll discuss the laziest way to make $200 per day using AI tools, providing a step-by-step guide to get started. Whether you are a lazy bum or simply someone who wants to make the most of your time, this video will be of great value to you only if you watch it till the end. Let me explain to you the two most important rules of this method. Imagine you planted a seed, and watching it grow slowly over time is a powerful reminder of the importance of patience and perseverance in achieving our goals. Your efforts and hard work may show little results like a seed, but they will eventually bear fruit with consistent care and nurturing. This metaphor encourages us to focus on long-term growth rather than being discouraged by short-term setbacks or lack of progress. In this method, patience and dedication are the backbones and rule number one. And rule number two is subscribing to our channel as we strive to help our subscribers get rich with step-by-step guides. Some fake gurus and creators claim it's possible to make $2,000 in a day or a week, but those claims are false.
What? What the fuck?
The truth is that earning such large amounts of money quickly is not sustainable, and things that come easily usually don't last very long. In contrast, things that last a long time usually require hard work and effort. That being said, we come to our first step, creating a simple website. Remember, when creating a website, choosing a niche you're passionate about is essential. Your passion will motivate you to work smart and grow your business effectively. Now, don't break your head to create a website. I have curated a 3-step checklist to help you create a website without a designer, programmer, or any other IT help. Check number 1, using a website builder. For building a basic blog site, you can opt for free website builders. Platforms like Wix, Weebly, and WordPress.com offer free plans that allow you to create a website without paying for the domain name. Since you've chosen a website builder, let's jump on to check number 2, which is using a hosting service. Some hosting services such as Infinity Free and 000 WebHost offer free plans that allow you to host your website without paying for hosting. Check number 3, creating the website. After completing the domain and hosting, you must create the website with drag and drop features in your chosen builder. The best part of using Wix, Weebly, or WordPress is choosing from pre-designed templates and customizing them with your content and images. According to our best estimations, 810 million websites use WordPress as of 2023. This represents around 43% of all websites on the internet, and that figure is growing rapidly. In fact, over 500 sites are built with WordPress every day, and yours could be 501. Click on the link in the description box and begin the process. The second step in this intimidating process is adding content to the website that your audience will enjoy. To figure out what they like, you need to know what they're talking about. And to know that, we head over to answerthepublic.com and enter any random keyword related to your niche. So, for example, if I search VPNs, the search results promptly appear, showcasing a promising cost per click (CPC) of $7.34. This suggests that for every 10 clicks directed toward your website, a daily earning potential of $70 can be achieved, resulting in a monthly income of $2,100. Such potential rewards can serve as a lucrative source of revenue for your website. Click on the data icon here, and the results will turn into a spreadsheet interface. Note down all these terms which have CPC beside them in a document. Even when you're sleeping, the website will make money for you, but only when the content is legitimate.
Behold, with the advent of your website, a momentous task awaits: the creation of its very essence, the content that breathes life into its digital form. But fear not, for with the power of artificial intelligence at our fingertips, we shall conjure forth the words that shall adorn your website and captivate the visitors.
As the master guided rightly, we will use the world's favorite writing assistant ChatGPT to curate the content for our website. However, it's not mandatory to use ChatGPT, as there are many other alternatives such as UChat, Jasper AI, ChatSonic, and many more. Whichever platform you'll choose, the prompts will be the same. Now, I'll head over to ChatGPT and enter the first term for my document. It will be something like write 1,000 words blog post by making what is VPN the primary keyword and 5 secondary and 5 LSI keywords. I will copy the response from ChatGPT and put it on my website. And boom, I have the funnel ready. After loading the website with at least 20 blogs, start promoting them daily for at least 1 hour, and once your website starts getting traction, the process will be automated. Post the blogs on social media platforms like Quora, Reddit, Twitter, and Pinterest. Join niche-based groups on Facebook and LinkedIn to promote your blogs. As previously mentioned, perhaps the most enticing aspect of this method is that your website can generate revenue even while you're sleeping, operating seamlessly in automatic mode. If this is not enticing to you, then click on any mentioned video and create a money-making machine online today.